So as we begin, you can go ahead and close your eyes. And just know that all hypnosis is actually self-hypnosis. I'll be making some suggestions, and the suggestions that resonate with you, you can go ahead and accept those. And if I ever make a suggestion that doesn't resonate with you, you can go ahead and leave that to the side. The same with this first suggestion of closing the eyes. If at all you feel curious or you hear something, then just go ahead and open your eyes. The only purpose for closing the eyes is to begin to turn inwards. The eyes give us so much information about the everyday waking world. And today, we're seeking to go deep within. So that's the only purpose of closing the eyes. And let's begin with a blessing. Let's imagine now that we're surrounded by a golden light. A beautiful golden light of protection, healing, and illumination. All of us are surrounded by this beautiful golden light. And we invite here with us all of the energies that are of the highest vibrations and purest intentions. Be they guides, masters, angels, all of the keepers of this work. Those of only the highest vibrations and purest intentions. And the work that we're doing here together today is we're making a transition in consciousness. We're seeking to move away from this everyday waking conscious state. And we're crossing through the veil, so to speak. Crossing into the deeper soul mind. And there, we're seeking to awaken whatever might be most helpful for you in this moment. And so go ahead and take this moment to set your intention. Bring your intention to your heart. Visualize it coming into your spirit. Bringing in anything you wish, anything you want to attract into your day or your life, or anything you want to let go of. Go ahead and take this time to set your intention now. so to speak, before the soul mind, the guides, and the creative forces themselves to reflect upon with you, knowing that whatever will be most helpful to you will be born into your consciousness. You're coming here today with an open heart and an open mind, and you're ready to receive the gifts from the soul realm. And we acknowledge now all of those coming to work with us, the guides, the masters, the angels, all of the keepers of this work, those of only the highest vibration and purest intention. And we're honored as they come to guide us, protect us, and show us the way. And now anything less than the highest vibrational energies with the purest intentions, anything less is to be outside this circle of light. Those of only the highest and purest here with us, and anything less is to be outside this circle of light. And so now, with this protection in place, let's begin by focusing on the breathing. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through the nose. And a slow, gentle breath out through the nose. Another deep breath in through the nose. And a slow, gentle breath out through the nose. One more deep breath in through the nose. And hold at the top. And a slow, gentle breath out. Good. And now let's begin to use the imagination. Imagine that with each breath in, that a feeling of peace is coming into the body and into the mind. And with each breath out, just feel yourself letting go of any and all tension. Just feel yourself sinking into the earth, just releasing and relaxing. Sinking into the ground, relaxing and peaceful, deep, deep, deep. Letting go of all the thoughts and cares for the day. They'll all be there later if you need them, but just for now, focusing on the breath, breathing in and receiving what you need, and breathing out and letting go. Letting go of what you no longer need, the wonderful rhythm and teaching of the breath. And with the next breath in, imagine that feeling of peace coming into every cell of your body. Every cell of your body touched by peace. And as you exhale, just let go. Let go of anything you don't need in this moment. Relaxing and peaceful. Deep, deep, deep. And just know that it's a good and wise thing to dedicate time, energy, resources towards your spiritual self-care, just as we attend to the mind and the body. Perhaps it's even most important to attend to our spiritual selves, to our soul. Such a good and wise thing, turning inwards. And that's just what we're doing here together today, seeking from within, going inward for guidance. And just know that results follow choices and actions. And there's a spiritual law that applies here today. The law states quite simply that if we seek, we find. And if we seek on a spiritual level, we find on a spiritual level too. And so as you reflect on this law in your life, it might be quite easy to see this law in effect in your life as you've been seeking most, if not all of your life. Seeking knowledge, wisdom, truth, and all that you've found. Of course, life has had its obstacles and challenges, but notice how you've been guided, sometimes through effort, sometimes through synchronicity, finding friends, books, teachers, courses, and leading all the way to this moment here and now. There's something here for you. There's something here for you to find. And so if this law is true, as it has been throughout your life, then there should be so much here for you to find. So let's proceed with every hope and every expectation that there is so much here for you. And let's continue making our way deeper and deeper within. Let's find out what's here for you. Begin to work with the mind. The mind can be like a thinking machine, a very useful tool, and a wonderful resource. So helpful in so many ways. But for the purpose of today's activity, let's use the aspect of the mind that concentrates or focuses. Let's focus your attention on my voice. my voice will be your guide. My voice will guide us through the veil, so to speak, to the places where you can gain access to the memories, resources, guidance, all that's here for you. And so that's the reason that you want to stay with my voice. My voice will be your guide. And so thoughts, sounds, feelings, and sensations may enter your awareness. Just notice and come back. Always coming back to my voice. Perhaps find something interesting in the sound of my voice. Or perhaps just be curious about what the next words that I might speak will be. Always coming back to my voice. And let my voice take you even deeper. Deep, deep. Notice you can feel that. Feel that draw within. And let my voice guide you. Deeper and deeper within. And it feels so good to just relax and let go. We don't get to do this often enough. So thank yourself for making this time for you. And you can trust the mat. It's there to support you. And just feel your body making a slightly larger impression in the mat. Let yourself go deeper and deeper. Your body getting heavier, more relaxed. Feel your body making a slightly larger impression in the mat. Physically, energetically, sinking, settling. Feels so good to just relax and be peaceful. Sinking, settling, deeper, deeper. There's so much here for you. And let's begin to bring the imagination. Imagine a wave of peace washing over the body. From the head all the way down to the toes. Imagine a wave of peace, washing away any tension, any discomfort. A wave of peace, washing over the mind. Peace, peace in the mind. Peace. A wave of peace. Peace. Peace in the heart. Peace in the mind. A wave of peace. The peace is with you. The peace is within you. Deeply relaxed. Deeply peaceful, deep, deep peace, 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 a wave of peace, deeply relaxed, And let's take a moment now to notice all of the energies that are here. Many names, sweet, loving energies, all here for you. And just feel their love drawing you even deeper. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. And the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Sweet, loving energies. And just let their love pull you even deeper. Deep, deep peace. Good, and soon I'll begin counting down from 10 to 1. And each number will be an invitation for you to come even deeper. I'll count down from 10 to 1. And each number will invite you to come even deeper. And when I get to 1, you'll be in just the right place. Just the right place. So let's continue. 10. 9. Deeper now, even deeper. 8. Letting go just a tiny bit more relaxed. 7. 6. 5. Deeper now, even deeper. 4. Gently and easily surrendering to the moment. 3. 2. Deeper now, even deeper. And 1. Just the right place. Deeply relaxed and deeply peaceful. Just the right place. So safe, so familiar, relaxed and peaceful. And in this place of such peace and calm, just feel your mind's eye opening up, your third eye opening, your heart opening, all of your spiritual centers opening up like flowers opening in the sunshine. Feel yourself becoming pure awareness, so sensitive, so aware, so open, and so safe. And notice now in your mind's eye, notice that you're standing at the beginning of a long hallway, a long corridor. Let that image become more clear to you. Good. And at the end of this hallway is a beautiful light, a very beautiful light. It feels so warm. That light is calling you. When it feels right, go ahead and move towards the light. It might feel so easy, just like you're gliding along towards the light. The image is so clear now. It feels so warm. What you came for today is towards this light. Might feel like there's just a magnetic pull pulling you towards the light. It feels so good. Good. And you're very close to the light now. And notice that the light is above 3 doors. One in the middle, one on the left, and one on the right. And notice that one of the doors is calling you more than the others. Go ahead and approach that door. Good. What you've come here for today is behind this door. And notice there's a feeling or sensation coming from this door. Might be a positive feeling, a challenging feeling, or a neutral feeling. Good, and let yourself feel that. Good, and you're ready for what's here. So go ahead and open the door, crossing to the other side, crossing through the threshold. What's here for you is unfolding. It feels so good, it feels so right. And let yourself adjust. Take your time. And now let the images become more clear to you. Let the feelings become more clear to you. Any images, colors, sensations, let it become more clear. Everything here is for your learning and growth. So just let it come through. Go ahead and let it come through.
Om.
let's begin to come back now. But before we rush out, let's take a moment to thank all the seen and unseen forces that have made this experience possible. Your prayer was heard, and the law was certainly fulfilled on this day. And notice now that the door is opened. The door is open to you. You can come back here anytime you like. The door is open. Consider coming back. There's so much more here for you. And each time you come, it will become easier. And each time you come, even more will be revealed. More will be shown to you. So consider coming back. You know the way. It's easy and it's safe. Follow the breathing. Follow the light. Come to the door. There's so much more here for you. Do come back. Make use of this wonderful resource. And the more often you come, the more will be revealed. Come back often. Now whatever was helpful and useful, that will stay with you. And everything else will stay behind. And also know that in the coming days and weeks, more will be shown to you. More will be revealed. And you'll be in perfect alignment on the highest vibration. And you'll notice and recognize it when it comes to you. Your deepest, greatest desires. Everything you've been seeking. Your intention. Know all of this to be true. Whatever was helpful and useful, that will stay with you. Every image, color, sensation, you remember it very vividly, very clearly. And whatever is finished or served its purpose, that will stay behind. And also know that in the coming days and weeks, more will be shown to you. More will be revealed. And you'll be ready to see, ready to receive on the highest vibrations. Know all of this to be true. Good. We will now begin to come back through the light with full hearts and full minds, knowing that the law has been fulfilled, your prayer answered. So let us begin to come back now. Soon I will count from 1 to 10, and each number you'll slowly become more awake and alert. And when I get to 10, you'll be fully awake and alert with a feeling of love, peace, clarity, and gratitude. And whatever was helpful and useful, that will stay with you. And whatever was finished or served its purpose, that will stay behind. And in the coming days and weeks, more will be shown to you. More will be revealed. Know all of this to be true. So let's begin to come back. 1, 2, 3. Slowly becoming more awake and alert. 4, 5, 6. All of the systems in the body returning back to normal and balanced conditions, better than ever before. 7, 8, 9. The mind, the body, and the spirit in perfect alignment, also better than ever before. And 10. Fully awake, aware, and alert, with a feeling of love, peace, clarity, and gratitude.